just like that, welcome back to another episode of Nailed It Projects. All 6 boxes are complete. Just gotta get these home tomorrow and keep working on the in-ground beds that are gonna become raised beds. And as you can see, the wire inside all of them. They're pretty high. I doubt even being this high, the moles are gonna crawl up that high and eat my stuff, but I just want to be sure. What the hell is that? So this Friday, not Saturday, Sunday, we get in the backyard, get this bed taken care of. All right. All right, y'all. I'm bundled up. I'm outside. Cold ain't gonna get me today. Determined. And in today's video, here's what I'm attempting to do. I'm gonna do a lot at once, but it's gonna take care of itself. That burn barrel getting lit right now. All that stuff that needs to be burnt. Then come over here and we're gonna move hoses, pull weeds, move dirt. It's getting done today. Not all of it. The way my back's set up, we're gonna see how far we get. All right, but that's the goal. You know, God gave me a nice day today. It ain't too cold, and it's supposed to warm up, but then we're getting rain this afternoon. So I'm out here early. We're gonna get this done. Let me get to work. All right, fire's just gonna monitor that, keep burning. There goes along. Just from starting that fire, moving around, I think I might be a little bit overdressed, so I'm gonna take this off because I'm already feeling hot. Man. Got the first one done. Took me about 20 minutes. This is what came out of it. And these are the roots I'm mainly concerned about. This is what sits up top. I don't know what bush that is. I gotta Google it. But that's the root. And even though it's winter, look at how succulent these are. Robbing nutrients from my plants, man. But yeah, 20 minutes on this. So I say in about 2 hours, I should have all of these done. What I'm gonna go ahead and do now is take the screws out of this, take it apart so I can get rid of that wood. Take it to work since it's a special turn in for that, chemicals. But yeah, I'm gonna get this dirt out, fill the beds over there, and then I can start laying out where I want these boxes to go. This is gonna compost. This one is done. We're on a good schedule. Just gotta fill this one and this one. keep moving over here. Now, this bed pretty much filled that one. So that one should take care of those two, which leaves me with the one which looks to only be half. That was the one that had the okra in it. Now, that being said, it's gonna work out fine. It is, because then now this area right here is gonna be tilled. Yeah. So whatever's left over is going in here. Dirt from the pile over there is going in here to raise it up, because this area pretty much right where this rhubarb is, you get about 2 to 3 inches of water. So tilling it, bringing it up as much as I can. Whenever it does rain, the water will soak in, and that'll take care of itself. But I'm doing good so far. I'm gonna keep going and see how far we get. Oh, the longest part of this process is taking these boxes apart that I had to raise the beds. Taking the screws out. I want to see the screws. These things are like $23 for a box, and I can use them on the fence. So take the screws out of these, save them, keep driving. All right, 4 beds done. All the raised beds, the terrace beds over there, are full. Now, just need to, I can't remember, train of thought. What I'm gonna do is run a string from the boxes in the back that I did first last year. Make sure everything lines up coming forward to place the other 6 beds. We have all 6 in place. Still need to remedy that situation. But now, I still need to put supports in here. Keep this one ballooning when I put the dirt in. Just gonna make sure they're all straight, because my plan is to enclose this for this winter. Enclose the whole thing, and that way I can move everything from up there down here. It is closer to the house, so I can run electrical and put a heater in here for coming winter. I pulled up the irrigation line because that is going to be redone, and I have to splice in also to get over here. You're going to put a shut off in this area somewhere, so I can shut it off for winter, and drain it. This will stay as is for winter crops. I'm gonna shut it off so it doesn't freeze. So winter crops, greenhouse, and the trees that I got growing in big pots can actually to a good size before I put them in the orchard in the back. So that is my thinking. Is it gonna work that way? I don't know. Uncle Murphy does his thing. You know, hey, we can make plans all we want to. See what the good Lord says. But I'm gonna take a lunch break. It is currently 11:46. Been out here since 9:15, and I got some work put in. I did. Let me get something to eat. Now that I've made some progress with this, my goal to finish out today is get that moved. But more pressing is I have some cabbage on the patio that I'm going to plant in this bed. So let me go get those and get that taken care of. The temperature is dropping and we're supposed to get rain, which is one of the reasons why I want to get that done. Well, there we go. Got those in. Apparently, they should grow great, even though it's cold outside. So, I'm gonna come out in the morning before I go to work, put some water on them. But, all right, now that it's done, I am going to start filling these boxes so I can move the green ones back in the greenhouse. All right, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, conundrum. That's all that's in that box from that green box. So now I am gonna have to go find filler. I don't know if you guys know the old school method, raised beds, putting the old wood branches, stuff like that at the bottom, and the dirt on top. The roots, carrots, typically, majority of the time, 12 inches. So, right here, 1, 2, 3. That's pretty much the dirt I need. So, wasting dirt. I'm gonna wait, get some branches, fill the bottom up first. And when I say fill, to here, and then leaves, and then the dirt on top. That stuff is not cheap. It is not cheap, and I don't wanna have to go buy more. So I'm gonna do that old school method, putting stuff at the bottom. All right. The dirt that filled these came from here and my dirt pile, so that's fine. My back is not cooperating. I got leaves in here. I got cardboard there, but I need filler at the bottom. So we're gonna have to close out here. I know where to get some. It's in the side of the road on my way to work. Now I just gotta take the truck, snatch it up, come back, chop it up, put it in there. So, hey, we got progress. We have progress. Boom. The boxes are in place. I even planted some cabbage. Okay. So we're making progress. Thank you guys so much. Love y'all. And I'll see y'all in the next video, in the next episode, the next upload. Because I am getting ready for spring this time. And I got something for them bugs coming too. I'll learn the secret. I got something for them. Catch y'all next video.